Welcome. In this video I will show you how to adjust the keyboard backlight on your Microsoft Surface Studio 2. So, the F5 key is responsible for adjusting the keyboard backlight, and it will do so if you have the function keys, the primary functions of the function keys disabled. To make sure that you do have them disabled, tap the FN button and make sure that there is no LED indicator glowing in the top right corner of it. And after that, single pressing the F5 button will turn on your keyboard backlight. Pressing it once again will make the brightness more intensive. Pressing it once again will set your keyboard backlight brightness to the maximum level, and pressing it for the the fourth time will disable your keyboard backlight. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.